Hello and welcome to this video. Today, I'm going to guide how to integrate AWeber to Calendly. It's easy to get started, and if you'd like to follow along, there's a link in the description below. You can use it to sign up for a free trial or quickly log into your account. To get started, you'll first need to create a Zapier account, which will allow you to connect AWeber to Calendly. Once you're logged in, head over to the Zapier dashboard. There, you'll find a button labeled Create. Click on that, then select Zaps to begin setting up your automation. If you have any questions along the way, don't worry. The Copilot feature is available to guide you through the process. Next, choose both AWeber and Calendly from the list of available options. Be sure to fill in all the required details on the right side of your screen. First, let's go back to AWeber. If you have already connected your AWeber account to Zapier, you can skip this step. If you haven't connected your AWeber account yet, you'll see a Select option. Click on the Select button, enter your Gmail address and password, and then allow the connection by clicking Allow. Now, repeat this process to connect your Calendly account. If you are not logged in, first log into your account. You will see a Sign In button, click on it, enter your email, and then click Continue. After connecting both accounts, take a moment to configure your settings as needed. When you're satisfied with everything, just click Publish to activate your Zap, and that's it. You're all set to automate your processes. I hope this video clarifies the steps and makes the entire setup easy for you. I'm offering a free email list building course in the description below, where you can learn how my team and I generate over $80,000 in commissions while growing our email list. The training is completely free right now, so don't miss your chance to check it out. Thanks for watching.